Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nihla Ardianti from class C with student ID H01234510. Today, I'm going to explain the things that I have understood from an article titled Differences Between British and American English. So, let's get started. From this article, I learned that the differences between British and American English can be seen in three main aspects: language use conventions, vocabulary, and cultural values. First, in terms of language use, there are many differences in spelling and grammar. For example, color in British English becomes color in American English. Words like theater become theater, and center becomes center. British English also prefers using "I've just had lunch," while American English often says "I just had lunch." Another example is that British people write traveling with a double I, while Americans write traveling with one I. Second, in vocabulary, there are many words that differ in each version. For example, holiday in British English is vacation. In American English, flat becomes apartment and film becomes movie. Even simple words like post and email or lift and elevator show how vocabulary can vary between the two. These differences can sometimes cause confusion, but they also make English more interesting to learn. Third, there are also cultural differences that affect the way English is used. British English often uses expressions from football or cricket, such as a sticky wicket, while American English uses expressions from baseball, like in the ballpark. British English tends to be more formal, while American English is more direct and uses more slang. In addition, British English sometimes sounds more polite or reserved, while American English sounds more energetic and casual. In conclusion, although British and American English have many differences, both are correct and understandable. These differences show how rich and diverse the English language really is. Understanding both versions help us communicate better with people from different English-speaking countries. It also allows us to choose which style fits our purpose, whether formal or informal. So, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.